I recently made about $500 online from simply watching TikTok videos. You can earn $4 for every single TikTok video that you watch. If you watch 2 TikTok videos, you'll earn $8, and watching 4 videos, they earn you a good $16, and you can even earn up to $600 and even much more just by watching more and more TikTok videos. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to TikTok.com, and I want you to go to the search bar and type in viral funny videos. As you can see here, these types of videos get millions of views. Many of them are over 10 million views, which means there is high demand for these type of videos. People love watching them. In just a moment, I will show you how to take advantage of these videos and make the most money. Now, the next tip is you just want to go ahead and choose one of these videos here. For example, let me pick this one right here, and this seems like a great one. What you want to do is watch the full video just to make sure that it's a good video. But then, in case you didn't like it, just try another one. I only want you to do this method to the videos you like, because that means other people will love them too. Now, for this case, I'm going to use this video as an example because I think it's a great one. It also has good amount of views and likes. Now, the next thing you have to do after watching the video is take a screenshot from the video. So I'm going to do that using my computer, but you can also do it from a smartphone. And here is the screenshot that I took from the video. It seems pretty good too. By the way, you guys are not limited only to viral funny videos like I did here. This is just an example to show you how this process works. But you can literally apply this to any type of videos. Just make sure that they get a lot of views. And you know that there is tons of videos on TikTok, so take advantage of that. And like I said, just use videos with high demand that get millions of views. You don't want to choose videos that no one watch or care about. Well, if you have no idea on what other videos you can search for, then you can just go to Google and search for the most viral niches on TikTok. And it should give you a lot of great ideas and keywords that you can search for. Now, just click on one of these results here. For example, let's see this one, and then just scroll down a little bit, and here we go. We found some of the most turned in and viral niches on TikTok. So after you take a screenshot of the video, the next tip is you want to go to this free website that is called Canva.com. By the way, you can do this from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you live. All you need is just an internet connection and your computer or your smartphone. The first thing you want to do here is create your account if you don't have one already. Very easy. Just click where it says sign up, and you can then sign up using your Google account, your Facebook account, or email. Once you do that, then go to create a design and then click on custom size and type here 1080 by 1920 and hit create new design. Now, what you want to do first is go to upload our screenshot in it, and click here and then select the image from your device, and it will start uploading. Once it's uploaded, you can just drag it to our page here, and you can easily move it around, and if you want to, you can also make it smaller or bigger. So I'm just going to keep it like this. And for the next step, you want to go and click on elements right here, and what you want to do is drag this shape to our image, and if you want to, you could also change the color from here, but I will just keep this color for now. What I'm gonna do is just resize it like this because we are gonna have a text on this shape. Now, click on this text icon right here, and then click on this text where it says add a heading, and just drag the text to the rectangle up here, and then type in something like this. Oh my god, watch this now. Now, if you want to change the font of this text, you can just click here and then pick another one. So I'm going to pick a font called Poppins. I like to use this one. I also want to change the color of this text, and you can do that from here. So I'm just going to pick a different color. Now, we're almost done with this image. There is only one step left. What you want to do is go back to elements and then search for a play button. And what you want to do is drag any of these play buttons to our image. And you can use any of these buttons here. So I will use this one here, and just make sure it's in the middle. Now, we are going to download the image. And to do that, just click on here and then click on download right here. Finally, click download again, and your image will start downloading. In the next step, I'll show you how we are going to use this image and this TikTok video to make money online easily and effortlessly. As you can see here, there are some payment proofs of people that are earning money daily using this method. This person here just made $5 today. This one just made $6. This one just made $10, and the list goes on and on. And by the way, if you are still watching, comment your country name below. So the next website we are going to use is Pinterest.com. This is the website that we will use to make money online with TikTok videos videos and our image. Pinterest gets millions of visitors every single day, especially from the United States. Now, first thing you want to do is create your account, and once you do that, then go to create and then click create pin right here. Now, double click here to upload the image that you made and just select the image from your device to upload it to Pinterest. Now, what you should do is type the title of your TikTok video here in this box. So I will go back to this TikTok video and I will copy this title here, go back to Pinterest, and I will paste it here. And also make sure you add a call to action like this. Watch this video now. This one, you can just leave it blank. It's not very important. And the next thing is we will need to add our link here. This is the tricky part. So now people on Pinterest will see your image, and when they click on it, they will be taken to the link that you will put here in this box so they can watch the actual video. But if you put the link of the TikTok video directly here, the video will get a lot of views from Pinterest because Pinterest has so much traffic. But you shouldn't put the link of the video directly here because you're not going to make any money if you do that. Instead, I'll show you how to put your own link here that will earn you money whenever someone clicks on it. So make sure you give this video a good thumbs up as well. Now, to create the link that we will put here that will make us money, go to this website that is called shrinkme.io, and the first thing you want to do is click register to create an account. So just fill out your information here and then check I'm not a robot. Also check the other box and click register to just verify your email and log in. And this is how your dashboard will look like. By the way, the minimum that you can withdraw from this website is only $5. They also have different payment methods like Bitcoin, PayPal, and much more. Let's just go back to the home page, and what you want to do is click use short link and then paste the link of the TikTok video here. This is the video that I will copy its link, and once you paste it here, just click where it says shorten, and now all you have to do is copy this link and then go back to Pinterest and paste it here. Now, to be able to publish an image, you will first need to create a board, and to do that, just click here and then click where it says create a board and just name it whatever you like and then hit create. Now, finally, all you have to do is just click where it says published and it will be published to Pinterest. But sometimes they don't accept links from shrinkme.io. If that happened to you, you just need to use this website as a bridge page or as a middleman. It's called Linktree. What this website will do is it will change your shortened link to another link that will get accepted on Pinterest, but that link will still lead to shrinkme.io. So here you guys have it. Now, everyone that's going to visit your shrinkme.io link, you will make money. Now, if you want me to show you my withdrawal proof and how much money I earned using this website, then help me to get 1,000 likes on this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.